Caroline, if you could give someone the short, like, elevator speech answer to this question, I'd be curious to hear it. What is your hope at the end of the day for your youth to go on a mission trip?
Yeah. I think I would start with my own story, which is I've been going on service learning mission trips since I was 14, and they changed my life. That they're trips I'm still seeking out as an adult because they are powerful to be of service, to be in relationship with your neighbor, to partner with God, to see the hurts and the injustices and know that you can meet them in ways, in small and big ways. That is why we do this. I also think I've met and made some of my closest friends in both growing up in programs like this and then leading them. Those are the people that I have grown and shared my faith with. And those are the people that I continue to share my faith with. To know that you were loved in a church, to know that you were of service to your neighbor, to know that you could learn something that you didn't expect and be surprised, and to know that God's at work in lots of parts of the world, in the whole world, right? That you're not going to show up and fix things, that God's already on the ground ahead of you and is calling you to that place and to service. That's what I want for our young people. That's what I found was most profound for me and has kind of made a call in my own life. You don't have to go into ministry for this to be the outcome, right? I think all of our young people who understand that they are called to serve and love explored that a little bit on mission trips. And so I want that for our churches and for youth groups.
Thanks. It's a pretty powerful thing to experience as a young person, to just get that sense of God at work in their midst and to be able to name and claim their role in that. It's pretty incredible.
Yeah, and you get language around, this is what I'm seeing, right?
Yeah,
I've been formed and we've been talking about this and I think I see it and now I can name it and point to it and say, that's what they're talking about. You put yourself in the story in a way that no other experience has opened me up quite like, and allowed me to say, this is where I fit in.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Thanks.
Yeah.